here. Today, I'll be showing you something in this trash bag. No, I'm not throwing it away. This is the store Nerf. This is the secret bag. I like to call it the mystery bag because it's actually white and not almost see-through. And it's this. The Kidde Can Coke D. This is the older box, the one I like. It reminds me of a worry-free smoke detector around this time. It actually has a front-loading battery door. It actually reminds me of an i1-2060. My i1-2060s can come with that little stick thing. No more hassle. Front-loading actually came with a sticker called, this is the same as that. In fact, it kind of reminds me of something. It's this. My Can Coke. It's this. My Can Coke IC. I'm going to put a battery in it real quick. There we go. Hook the battery in. Look. It looks very close. It looks pretty much the same as a Can Coke IC. Except for the back, which is because it's hardwired. It's battery powered. Now it's time to open it. So I'm going to put the camera down because it's very hard to do it with one hand. It's one of these packs. What a pain in the butt it is. In one of these stupid bags. Okay. Owner's manual. Please see manual. Our charcoal bag. Throw it out and out of the way. Okay. Excuse me, just opening this box. It's very hard to do just that. So. That's cool. The mounting bracket, the anchors and screws, and the alarm. But do you notice something cool? On the back, we have a literal gasket, like the Can Coke IC. It has the same gasket too. Now let's plug the battery. It was made in 2020. We're going to remove this after that.
Push test button.
Listen.
Push test button.
But now we're going to plug them both in.
Push test button. Push test button.
This one's a higher pitch horn and voice. Well, the horn is a little higher pitch. And it's time to test it.
Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
It actually sounds very much like the Can Coke IC. Listen.
Fire. Fire.
It's just that's a higher pitch.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
The only difference being it's battery powered and no interconnecting. It's very cool that they actually have this, which is supposed to be the harness, because this is actually based off a Can Coke IC frame. So it's chassis. And there's that little sticky. Ethan also knows the smoke alarm fit. You will be blown away. Because I have now both Can Cokes, and there's that same little bracket, that little door lock, which I'm going to demonstrate this real quick. actually have my trusty flathead. I'm gonna put the camera down for this. Okay, see how it's all the way down there? It's actually locked. It's actually known as, anyways, we're now gonna unlock it again. This only requires one hand. Does the can cup IC have this? Yes, it does! Oh, yes, it does! Just need to... We're gonna unlock it again. The difference being that the little quick reference guy is a little bit lower, and this is a little more yellow because I've had this for for almost 2 years now, and yeah, I got this up for Christmas. I've had this for about 2 years. It's about 2 years old now, about 3 years old, so it's a little more yellow because it's a little discolored. That voice is very rattly. Same goes to the Can Cope D's. And also, there's the bracket. It's actually a Can Cope IC bracket. Well, it's the same bracket for most smoke detectors. I'm going to put the camera down real quick. So it's finicky at times. Need to find the right groove. There we go. It just takes a little force. I'm going to take the bracket off now. Okay, I got it off. It's a bit hard to. Takes a bit of force. But now let's test them both.
Fire, fire, fire.
Alright, that test was ruined, so let's try that again.
Fire, fire.
The horror detectors.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Okay. And also, here's the can CSM IBA. It's actually larger than this. It's about the same size as the can CSMB. But so, anyways, that will do it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe to East and Austin Smoke Alarm Fan, Photo Electric Elevators, which actually got a chance to SBRF, and I was actually the first. Noah the Smoke Alarm Kid, please see manual. My other channel, 20th Century Virtual Fox Against Scambots, and YouTube Scambots. Anyways, hope you liked this video, but before we actually end the video, it's time for the blanket meme. This will be my new theme starting the next review. Anyways, hopefully you liked this video. Bye.